I went to Target and I saw this. Charizard is one of my favorite Pokemon, if not my #1 favorite Pokemon. It's funny because I thought it was gonna be like $40. I don't know, that's just the number that popped into my head. And they didn't have the price at the shelf. So I just took it to the self-checkout, and when I scanned it, it said 88 $88. But I was already there, so I just took it, paid for it. Very beautiful. Amazing. It's perfect. Try to get a good. I mean, it just looks way better in person. But there it is. Really cool Charmeleon. This has Fire Blast. That's really cool. Charmeleon with Fire Blast. Blaine would be proud. Don't want to waste that TM on a water type. And I didn't realize it came with so many packs. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what? They're all different, it looks like. 4, 5 different, I'm assuming 5 different packs. Like, I don't know anything about like the Pokemon TCG. I don't follow it at all. I know Yu-Gi-Oh, but I'm assuming these are like 5 different booster boxes and they're all in this box. I'm gonna save these for last because they look like the best packs. All right, I have no idea what to expect. I don't even know like what's good, how much they cost. I love the art though. I only get these cards because of the way they look. Leap. I do like that they do this like full art. I don't know if that's what you call them, but full art cards are really cool. Grimmsnarl. Just set those aside. So I don't know what to expect in here, but I do want to get into collecting Pokemon cards. But I really just want the old school cards, like Poliwrath. Poliwrath is a really good old school card, classic. I don't even know what Pokemon this is. Like, what am I looking at? There's so many Pokemon now. Phantom, Slugma, Trevenant. I remember when I first saw this Pokemon, I thought it was really cool. I forgot what game that was though. Tinglu, Ogerpon. I forgot what this Pokemon is called. Goldeen reminds me of Misty. So sad her voice actor passed away this year. It's really sad. And I didn't know she did the voice for Jessie also. This is nice. Full art Probo Pass. I should draw Misty with her like favorite Pokemon. That'd be really cool too. Like a tribute to her. I wonder what this is. Like, why did they come with this? All right, Doublade. These cards are, well, not the cards, but these Pokemon are cool. They remind me of Magnemite. Just like very simple, basic Pokemon, nothing crazy. Miltank. Brings back memories of Whitney, Stomp, Rollout, Milk Drink. That's cute. Really cute. Dwebble, Gimmighoul, Kingdra. That's really cool. I love Kingdra. Kingdra is one of my favorite Pokemon. Also brings back memories. What's her name? Claire. When I first played Pokemon, Gold and Silver. I don't remember my age, but I remember being specifically at La Curaçao and looking at Gold and Silver like behind the display glass, like it was like protected, and asking my mom to buy me Gold and Silver, and she did. So like I remember when they first came out and I was already into Pokemon. I had already played Red, Blue, Yellow, and when I first saw Kingdra, it was really cool. Like, it was hard to inflict damage because it's water dragon. Just brings back good memories. It was hard to beat. Really good Pokemon. So I'm glad I got that card, Kingdra. Let's see. Gligar. Flamingo. Technical Machine Evolution. Goldango? What is that? Looks like Sudowoodo. Alright. This is... Ooh, I forgot his name. Is it Cobalion? I don't know. I don't remember. Litten. Man, I was excited for Litten when, I don't even remember the game, when this game first came out, his game, and I was so disappointed by the final evolution because it looked like Tony the Tiger. Like, I don't know. It was just very disappointing. I threw him in the box. I replaced them with something else. All the new Pokemon games, I don't keep my starters. They end up in the box because I don't like any of them. I just keep getting disappointed every time a new game comes out with the starters. The last time, in my opinion, the starters were good was Diamond and Pearl. So it's been a minute that they take out some good starters, in my opinion. I didn't even like Samurott, and this is a cool card. Flutter Mane, but that's a Misdreavus. That's weird. Yeah, I didn't even like Samurott. What are the other ones? Seviper? No, not Seviper. See, I don't even remember the name. They're not even memorable. Snivy evolves into something. I don't remember what it's called. And Emboar or whatever, Emboar. That Pokemon was kind of disappointing too. Ekans. Turtwig was cool. I mean, he's from Diamond Pearl. Yeah, they were, all three of those were good. Empoleon, Torterra, and of course Infernape. Infernape is like really good. Like that was my favorite from those three. This is cool. Melmetal. 230? That's crazy. That sounds too strong. But I don't know if that is strong because I don't play Pokemon cards. I don't know, let me see. These are the last 2 packs. By the way, these cards look pretty good on my new camera. I'm using my phone, but it's the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I just upgraded my phone after 4 years. And it looks really clean. I love how it looks. Salandit. This Pokemon, I was waiting for it to evolve until I found out it had to be, I think, a girl. Like only the girls evolve, not the males. Larvitar, let's see. Seismitoad. Carvanha, cool. Barboach. Claydol. Claydol is cool. What's his name? Steven and his Claydol. That's what I love about Pokemon. It brings back memories. Really simple, cute artwork. Alright, last pack. Houndour. Really cool. Combee is really cool. I used Vespiquen when I played Diamond and Pearl. Lunatone. Wow, this is cool. I wasn't expecting Entei. Blaze Ball. Blaze Ball. That sounds like if it were a real attack, it sounds like it would be similar to Rollout. Like you keep using it and it gets stronger and stronger. What? Is that a thing or that's weird? Are they the same? No, they're not the same. So they're different rarity. See, this one has a bunch of, what is that? Like fire emblems all over. This one does not. This one is plain. What a coincidence that they're both in the same pack. That's really cool though. So it looks like the best cards I pulled. I mean, again, I don't know what's even good because I don't play, but just because I know Pokemon. I mean, this is a full art card, so it might be good. Yeah, in general, I like the full art cards. That looks cool. Riolu, I didn't even notice I got Riolu. This looks cute. Yeah. I would say these were my favorite pulls. Curious about Entei, if they were Yu-Gi-Oh cards, I know the rarities, like, you know, secret rare, ultimate rare, but this is Pokemon, like I don't know about rarities. Yeah, I think my favorite is this Kingdra though. Kingdra is just that cool. I have to put these in sleeves now. Yeah, that's it. Charizard over here. If you stayed to the end, thanks for watching. Maybe I'll open something else. Maybe I'll make a video of drawing Misty with her favorite team. So if you want to see that, you can subscribe to my channel, obviously. But yeah, thanks for watching.